Urinary tract infections (UTIs) are a very common health problem. While both men and women get UTIs, women are more prone to them. A UTI occurs when the bladder and its exit tubes are infected by bacteria. Common symptoms include a frequent urge to urinate, passing small quantities of urine, a burning sensation when urinating, and change in urine color. There are many natural remedies that can help prevent and treat UTIs. 1. Water. One of the first things to do when you have a urinary tract infection is to drink plenty of water. That is because drinking water can help flush away the bacteria that's causing your infection. How much should you drink? Aim for half of your body weight in ounces of water, up to 80 ounces Oz a day. 2. Vitamin C. Getting plenty of foods high in vitamin C is important, because large amounts of vitamin C make urine more acidic. This inhibits the growth of bacteria in your urinary tract. 3. Heat. Inflammation and irritation from UTIs cause burning, pressure, and pain around your pubic area. Applying a heating pad can help soothe the area. Keep the heat setting low, do not apply it directly to the skin, and limit your use to 15 minutes at a time to avoid burns. 4. Diet. When you have a UTI, caffeine, alcohol, spicy food, nicotine, carbonated drinks, and artificial sweeteners can irritate your bladder further. This makes it harder for your body to heal. Focus on healthy foods, such as high-fiber carbohydrates, which are good for your digestive health. 5. Empty your bladder. Every time you empty your bladder, even if it is just a small amount, you rid it of some of the bacteria causing the infection. Even though it can be uncomfortable, going to the bathroom every chance you get is a vital part of recovering. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a rich source of enzymes, potassium, and other useful minerals that can prevent the bacteria that cause UTIs from multiplying or growing. Those suffering from UTIs can use apple cider vinegar as a natural antibiotic to treat the infection. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. You can also add lemon juice and sweeten with honey. Mix it well. Drink this 2 times a day for a few days. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries have bacteria-inhibiting properties that can help in the treatment of UTIs. The antioxidants present in blueberries are good for the immune system, and they prevent growth of bacteria that causes UTIs. Including fresh blueberries or juice in your daily diet is a good way to prevent UTIs. Don't forget to subscribe Beauty Tips Guru. Thanks for watching.